Hey YouTube modeling community, we're back with another one of my builds today, and this time we've got my 68 Dart. I built it trying to be like a super stock car. I missed a few little details. I'm sure someone out there will probably notice them, but let's get right into this one. I wasn't actually going to do it the way the box art is, but since I painted it red without thinking, and at that point may as well do it. It turned out looking pretty nice, I think anyway. I cut the quarters a bit too big. I was going to put bigger tires under it, but decided not to in the end. Just running the ones that come with the kit. I do have spinny wheels on this one. Didn't get too excited with the glue, which is always good. Back's pretty basic. Not much going on. Got all the decals up and down the side. Some on the quarter glass. 426 on the hood scoop. Did the foil tape method for the back window and the windshield just to have some more chrome on the car. Not a whole lot going on with the hood. Nice chrome strip up here. The hood pins. In the engine bay, there's nothing going on here. There's like 4 things up here. I quite like how the engine turned out on this one. You can see no power brakes because you don't need those to go fast in a straight line. There's not really a lot going on in there. The interior is also a similar story. You can see that. I put seat belts in this one. I made them with a thin strip of paper and a little piece of plastic. And I did the seatbelt window straps. Once again, just a thin sheet of paper. I hold them in with some super glue. I have mirrors on this one because I figured they might be nice to have. Just because, you know. The front end of this thing. It's real nice. I'm missing some lights because the carpet monster ate them. Underneath here, there's not much, actually. There's leaf springs, a rear end, a motor. You can't really see much else going on down there because there isn't. Got the nice headers. You can get a real good view of them down here with the camera that probably hasn't been focused this whole video. Not much going on with the front suspension, just like all the other Mopar cars. Turned out pretty good in my opinion. It was a good kit. I had a minor issue with tearing one of the decals. That was my bad. Other than that, the whole experience was pretty smooth. Ignoring getting a bit too excited with the Dremel back here on the quarters, but that's fine because it happens from time to time. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for this video. In the next video, I've got a couple cars finished. I got 2 more finished that I need to make videos for. And then it might be a minute before I finish any more cars. So I'll see you then.